In addition to what I said before, you can integrate this in the classroom and technology in the classroom by giving this to students and having them edit themselves. So I pulled up another one that I already had and gave some options over to the left here. And if you wanted to use this in the classroom, you could tell them to put these bubbles in the right order surrounding what the topic is, so reviewing literature. So you're going to want to drag them over, and you can put them in the right order. Then you can do a little arrow pointing from each one. I'm going to go back down here. Do the same thing for this one. Point it towards this. Bring it back around to the last one. And do that to finish up. And then you can go around the group, see who has it right, and if any other students may need assistance.